Good morning. First one of the day, a rather filthy Triumph Tiger. This is a returning client, been coming to me for years. This is his trusty steed, so it's in for its annual trot mint up. He's been doing a bit of commuting, some traveling. Now it's time to freshen her up. She is looking pretty sad for herself. We're gonna do one of our legendary full Monty valets, get some life back into this old girl. More than anything, get it reprotected for the winter ahead. This is in desperate need of some TLC. She is looking sad for herself. Thankfully, it is a mag wheel model and not a dreaded spoke wheel, so that's one bonus, I guess. But got a lot of built up grime, grim. Time to do a bit of trot magic. So we get all this engine all sorted out. Like I said, we'll paint a few bits and pieces, sand that down, repaint it, do a bit of polishing on this screen as it's got some proper ingrained bugs and some marks, same as this little cover here. Yeah, give me a few hours, 3 to be exact. There you go, 2 hours and 30 minutes. This Triumph Tiger has been trotted and looking freaking sweet. What a transformation on this beast. Look at that exhaust. It has come up like new. We have scrubbed that, mirror polished it up afterwards. We used the white diamond metal polish, which leave a protective coating. All your exhaust, all up underneath here, everything's been mirror polished. All your end can. We then misted everything with XCP corrosion protection, all up underneath. All your subframe, anything that I think will corrode has been thoroughly misted. All the back of your forks, switch gear, all the nuts and bolts have all had a nice misting of the XCP corrosion protection. We did paint a few scratched up rusty bits beforehand. All the chain has been thoroughly degreased. We then blow dried it all. It's all been re-lubed back up with the Silcoline titanium gel. All your center stand has been painted. All done, 2 hours and 30 minutes. Your bike needs to be trotted. Give me a call, 07966 249 963, and we will get you booked in. Check out the mileage on this bike. 29,500 miles. Look at it. Looks like it just rolled out of the showroom. This is the trot way. Get yours booked in now.